Hey everyone, I'm super excited to introduce Locofy MCP and show you how it works in this video. Locofy MCP, or Model Context Protocol, lets you pull, refine, and extend Locofy-generated front-end code in Cursor by simply using prompts. You can clean up code, handle API integrations and state variables, improve accessibility, add custom scripts, and more, making your workflow faster and more efficient with Locofy MCP. To get started, convert your well-optimized Figma designs to code using Locofy. For that, let's launch the Locofy plugin and select the design we want to convert and click Convert to Code. Locofy is all done with converting my design into code. You can see the Generate React code at the bottom panel, and also the live preview that has been rendered from the code. Now, let's sync this code to Locofy Builder. Click on Project Settings. Next, click on the MCP tab, and from there, choose an expiry option and copy the mcp.json file. Now let's set it up in Cursor. First, create .cursor folder. Place the mcp.json file inside a .cursor folder in your project. Place your mcp.json file, then go to Cursor Settings. Click MCP tab. Enable the Locofy server. Once enabled, you can use prompts to pull code from Locofy. Locofy MCP gives you two functions to pull code. One fetches the components and its dependencies, and the other just grabs the specific files. Now let's ask Cursor what you need. Let's use it to pull the home page from my Locofy project and merge it into this existing code base. For this, I will simply click this cursor chat and type the prompts. You can also refine and extend the Locofy-generated code as per your requirement. For example, Locofy has generated this page for me, but the image carousel isn't functional yet. With just a few prompts, I can extend the code and make it fully interactive. I accepted the changes that were made to my components, and let's review the page now. And just like that, the carousel is fully functional, and I can change main images clicking carousel or clicking arrow button. There's a lot we can do here, like improving accessibility and adding internalization support, such as language switching between English and Korean. For this, I will prompt in Cursor chat to make my page accessible and also add support for Korean language. I accepted the changes that Cursor is suggesting, and let's check out the result. As you can see, the page is now more accessible with improved keyboard navigation, better screen reader support, and more. Plus, we've added a button to switch between Korean and English. And that's Locofy MCP for Cursor. This feature is already live, and you will find a link to our docs in this description, with more sample prompts to try out. So give it a go and let us know what you think.